Sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Oh fuck, dude, this is hardcore. Just do it for Jamal.
It's gonna break though.
No, it's not.
What if I don't make it over?
And you did it for Jamal. We'll be happy. Aye! I broke the rock. He's fucking Jesus on a bush. See it for your soul. I don't have no soul. Oh yeah. Checking it out. Alright. Alright. Alright, checking it out. Okay. Yeah, you do that. Whoa. Whoa, that was a close one. That was a close one. Yeah, yeah. Come on, Wyatt, you got this.